Hello, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In this video, let me show you how to customize your lock screen on iOS 18 on your iPhone. So, let's first of all enter editing mode. You have to go to your lock screen and long press on your lock screen. So, now you want to tap this Customize button. And as you can see, here are many settings that you can change. First of all, let's start from the bottom, and let's, as we move forward, I will tell you everything from the bottom to top. So as you can see here, you have bottom controls. So you can see here minus signs to remove this control. And let's tap plus in order to set some kind of control. So let me put my camera back. Where's camera? If you cannot find something, you can always use this search at the top in order to quickly find this control. Okay, now you can see here space for widgets. If you tap here, you will see widget box with options. Okay, and here let's select any kind of widget. So here you can see list of different applications, and here at the top are basically the suggestions that you can add to your lock screen. Let's, for example, go to weather, and let's say that I want to have this widget, for example. Additionally, let's go to some other applications such as clock, for example. I can select this one, and let's go with the last one. I will simply select something from my suggestions. Okay, this is regarding widgets. Additionally, you can see some wallpaper effects. So this is a depth effect. You can turn this on or off. Okay, and additionally, appearance. It could be automatic, so it depends on your current mode, or you can set simply light or dark option. I'll go with light. Okay, and here we have a clock and date at the top. So you can tap on this time to change font color and also basic appearance if you wanted to have in glass. As you can see, this clock has a glass style right now, but I can simply switch to solid if I want. Okay, so let me switch back to glass, and I want this one. Additionally, I can change its boldness and colors. So play around with those sliders, and if you tap this globe icon, you can set different time layout like this. Okay, let me switch back. And yeah, and here at the top you will see your date, and I feel like yes, one thing more, that if you scroll through options, you can see different wallpaper effects, like I said, so you can decide which one to like more. And now let's tap this done button in the top right in order to save your current lock screen that you just customized. Okay, and I feel like that is basically it. So thank you very much for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.